Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, I got one more thing right now to teach you about arrays, and that's called an associative array. What is an associative array? Well, an associative array is basically, instead of using numbers, you use strings to associate things, such as colors, foods, whatever. So let me show you what I mean. It's going to be too hard for me to explain, but once I show you an example, I think you'll get it. So if we want to create a variable called favorites, and we want to put a few of some favorite things here, we could put favorites, but now what we're going to do is we could put food, and we could put equals sandwich, favorites color equals blue. And then what we can do is we can do document.write my favorite food is plus let me put that there. Let's put favorites food. So now it's going to say my favorite food is sandwiches, because I used the associative array food. So what else I can do here now is I can do plus. Now I want to put that period in there, and then I can do the BR for the line break. Then I can put document.write my favorite color is plus favorites color plus period line break. My favorite color is blue. So that's an associative array. Super easy, but instead of using numbers, you're using strings. Real simple. So you can associate a favorite food with sandwiches. You can associate a color with blue. Okay, so that's why they're called associative arrays. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.